My name is Benedicto Baro Aga Jr., living in Alabat, Quezon Province. I am 43 years old, married, and I have a wife living in Philippines with me. I have done in 2 years course in computer technician, minor of electronics in System Technology Institute or STI. And I have 6 months course automotive mechanic in Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TISDA. I undergo on-the-job training on the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR and Pacific Cement Incorporated. On January 6, 2008, I studied short course in St. Peterville Technical Training Center Incorporated. Course Consumer Electronics in C2. On March 3 to May 1, 2011, I have attended a course of XPAC Pro, PC for the Manager, PC Network, and Troubleshooting in Informatics Computer Institute, Philippines. Right now, I am freelancer in our province while I'm looking forward for some opportunities. And I have my own piggery. Also, I am taking care for our piglets and sow. Thanks for my previous company because I have learned a lot. I have more than 8 years experience in work abroad in the Middle East. On September 2019 until September 2021, my company is Limiraj Property Management in Doha, Qatar, as multi-skilled technician. I do repairing home appliances, air conditioning, and electrical, and sometimes I do carpentry and plumbing jobs. On July 2015, on October 2017, my company is United Joseph M. Nagy company located in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, LG Service Center. As appliances technician, we are servicing home appliance and our customer wherever they are. On September 2012 until September 2014, my company is Al Asmak Facilities Management in Doha, Qatar, as appliances technician and electrician in the building facilities, and I do electrical job, wiring and installation, and home appliances of our tenant. On March 2008 until April 2010, my company is National Metal Manufacturing and Casting or Maadiniya, located in Jubail, Saudi Arabia, as electronics and industrial technician in industrial company. I do job of troubleshooting of motor controls if there is a defective, disassemble and assemble water pump, acid pump, and installation new induction motor of new PC strand, wire drawing, and new panel board, and terminate all the wires to the designated new motors. Reset the main circuit when circuit breaker when there was a power failure or corruption. I am looking forward to your prestigious company and to prove my dedication and to show how productive I am being an employee. I am flexible, committed employee. I can do everything in order for me to achieve the goal. Thank you.